Welcome to Vegas Vitality. I'm Dr. Okeke, board-certified family medicine. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized and glowing from inside out, and knowing that you are fueling your body with nature's most potent medicines. What if I told you that a few simple juices could transform your health, fight diseases, and supercharge your well-being? Would you like to hear that? So come with me and I will show you how to make 8 incredible juices, each packed with powerful benefits, proven by science. Let's dive into the juicing magic. I am going to be making the juice with my very easy to assemble Ninja No Cloud cold press. Here are all the juices we're going to make for this week. We're going to power this on. We're going to start with pineapple. Bustling with bromelain, pineapple juice reduces inflammation and aids digestion. It is perfect for easing muscle soreness and supporting recovery. Next, we juice the orange. A classic favorite. Orange juice strengthens immunity, promotes heart health, and keeps your skin radiant thanks to its powerful antioxidants. Next, we juice our grapefruit. Grapefruit juice kickstarts metabolism, helps with weight management, and reduces insulin resistance, all while delivering a vitamin C punch. Next, we juice our lemon. Lemon juice is a detox superstar. It helps cleanse your body, improves digestion, and boosts immunity with its high vitamin C content. Next, we will juice our celery. Celery juice is a hydration hero that flushes out toxins, reduces bloating, and supports gut health with its natural anti-inflammatory properties. Next, we will juice our mango. Mango juice, rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and C. Mango juice supports skin health, boosts immunity, and fights oxidative stress. Now our carrot. Carrot juice is packed with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. This helps improve vision, boosts your immune system, and gives your skin a natural glow. Next, we juice our pomegranate. Pomegranate juice is a healthy powerhouse, packed with antioxidants that lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and protect against free radicals. We're done juicing. Now, let's start improving our health with these freshly made juices. On Monday, start your week with reduced inflammation and balanced blood pressure with celery juice. Tuesday, boost your skin and immune defense with mango juice. Wednesday, protect your body from oxidative stress and fight off infection with orange juice. Thursday, detox your liver and enhance digestion with lemon juice. Friday, kick off your metabolism with grapefruit juice and support weight loss. Saturday, nourish your eyes and promote youthful skin with carrot juice. And Sunday, ease digestion and calm infections with pineapple juice. For bonus, you can add pomegranate juice for heart healthy every day with any of these combinations. Now that you know the life-changing power of these juices, it's time to take action. Pick one juice to try this week and share your experience on the comments. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and turn on the notification so you will never miss a video that can transform your well-being. Let's juice our way to better health together.